called Don't Push the Button, and this is my first video. I'm kind of nervous. I don't have anything that you need to require for a YouTube channel, and I'm recording on my phone, so that's kind of sad. I'm sorry for the background noise, and yeah, I'm sorry about that. And if you hear any other voice that is not my actual voice, I need a microphone and I need a computer. But that is probably not going to be until a long time. A very long time. But I'm playing Don't Press the Button. So I have to find the button right now. Oh, someone found it already. As you can see from my name, I'd probably do gacha videos too. But I might do other things. Okay, I am slow. I am very slow now. Okay. Wait, I used to be fat. What happened? Okay. So there was a blue line. I don't know if any of this is copyright. Oh, near the house. Okay, good. Oh no. I don't even know yet anymore. I am dead, but I don't want copyright strike. I don't know what's copyright and what's not yet, so I'm just gonna hope this doesn't get taken down. Person not even running. She's just determined to press that button. Like it's special to her. Ugh. Okay. Victory Royale. Okay. That was weird. Oh no. I make the weirdest noises. It's like walking around that you jump, walk, walk. So laggy, so fast. Oh no. It's ugly. Time spam, but thumbs up. Let's see what the results are. Who did it that much times? Oh God. Oh, I wanna jump more. Oh yay, the wish come true. Actually, it's kind of boring. Why would I say that? Well, it's still gonna do it, but I'm bored. Boring. I was about to say something very mean. I was about to say Joe Mama. Baldy, no. I'm pretty sure you can't even hear anything. A lot of YouTubers played this and never got copyright strike, so I think none of this is copyright.
I love spending time with you.
because they played it way too early. I'm dead. Okay, be gone, please. I don't want copyright. I do not. It's a banana next to a banana. Hey, I wanted to jump on it. Oh God, there's no way I'm beating this. Oh God, it goes so fast. No, I almost died. Well, I'm going to die anyways. Oops. That was tough. I was going to say something, but never mind. Oh God. I did a weird burp. It was very weird. Quick, get on the platform. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I keep dying all the time, and I don't. Arms from this, and it's very easy. Find the button. I have a feeling I might find it. I will not find it because I suck. I think it was the same dude from last time. I don't know. First one to tap it. Oh God, I don't know if it's copyright. If it's not copyright, I am sorry. I just don't know. This is probably my third time playing this game. I usually play other games. I don't really play roleplay games. The only roleplay game I actually really play is just Bloxburg. Oh God, I keep typing dumb shit. Can y'all? This girl is stuck and her waist is gone. God, I suck at this so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna do this again. This may look easy, but trust me, it is very easy. It is not just easy, it's very easy. Okay. Okay. I hate everything. That's fine. Baby Shark. I hate Baby Shark, so I hate. Oh God. I'm scared. I'm scared. Well, I'm also dead. I'm also dead. That's. Victory Royale. Hey, don't tap that button. Oh my gosh, you tapped. No. That wasn't see-through. I died. That was so easy. Why did I fail? That costs Robux. What can a speed coil? Looks like I spent all my money on this. Okay, so I swear I like trains. I just had to make sure. Die from these. But we literally decapitated a dog. which is very sad. Oh God, someone got it. Run. Oh, tsunami. Okay, I made a weird voice, but it's fine. It's fine. Oh God. I'm lagging. Whoa, that tsunami lagged me so horribly. Oh, another Doge. We decapitated so much dogs and that's kind of sad. But they're trying to attack us. That's a good thing because we just decapitated them. It's just very sad. I hate everything. I hate this map more than anything in my life. Oh God, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Ooh, cheats. 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 No, no, cheats. 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 I did it! I won! That was hard. Get on the platform. Speed coil. I hope this speed coil is not one-time use. Oh God, that's sad. And that is sad number 2. Oh God, I hate this one. I will fail every time on this. This time I'm going this way, like it's gonna do anything. I'm just really picky. Okay, so... Oh God, this is the hardest I ever... No! I hate my life. I hate my life. I hate my... Oh God, thank you. That was the farthest I ever went. Oh God, I might as well die. Okay, I'm dead. How's Baby Shark alive? I'm kind of salty of her. I'm just kidding. Is Baby Shark still alive? Did she leave? Oh, I see her. I see her now. I already know I'm not going to be famous YouTuber. I'm just going to try it out. Oh. I need to turn this up to see if I tapped it all out. Oh no, other person. Get away. This no. My God. Oh, I thought it was a race. It's a banana. Next to a banana. Okay. What? It's boulders. Well, I'm definitely gonna run with the speed coil. I could have died if the speed coil was like a little bit faster. Is this place actually safe? If I get killed, it's going to be your fault, people. Just saying. Safe. It was safe, actually. Oh God, it's Bleef. Oh God. Good thing I have this coil, or else I could have been dead. Oh, you just jump in place? Oh god, I almost died because of that dude. Oh god, no. Get away. Okay, thank you. Oh wait, need to get faster. Okay. Okay, I tapped it. I should have went with blue. Blue is my second favorite color. Why is this boy near me? Okay, he's an idiot. That is another level of stupidity. Trust green. Green means good. I hope it means good. Oh! The Doge gave me bad luck, I swear. Never do green. Oh, guess what? You're too late. Idiotic and oh, cheats all around. I like to cheat. No. Okay, this is why cheaters never win. Am I the only one dead? Okay, good. I'm with the Doge that gave me bad luck last time. Tags. I barely ever talked, and then people seeing me talk, it's like, what? Okay, cheats all around. I haven't learned my lesson. I seriously, no. Yeah, I haven't learned my lesson at all. Help. Girl, don't leave me to die. She left me. I hate her. Fast, or I get slower with the coil. That's surprising. Where I go? I'm just going to run off the edge. Well, I'm dead. Once again. I went too far. Oh god. All I need to do is jump in place. Oh god. No! Luckily everyone is still alive and I'm the only one dead. Oh, at least I got the goal. Oh. Let's see what they're trying to write. They're trying to write and subscribe. Maybe we should all listen. Well, goodbye. Goodbye, peoples. I had fun playing this, but I just want to do another video today. Oh god. Oh god. We're just going to end it off with here because, oh god, I need to go. Oh god, he's so close. He is faster. Hey, get the other people. Okay, he exploded. Well, goodbye. Yeah. Yeah, I'm out.